Organisação Internacional Hwpl World Peace Restoration of Light (HWPL) lança cerimônia Peace Children's Choir e a Lighthouse International School. Cerimônia nere religi a Lighthouse International School fatu hada dili segunda-feira, lorong Ranulu Racing itu bulan Novembro, tinang ringrua Ranulu Racing tolu. Diretor Lighthouse International School, Noel Rebuyong Hatete, programa Peace Children's Choir ne, anessa primeira vez em Timor-Leste, no idane parte ida usi visão no missão Organização Internacional HWPL, ori lori dame bamundo.
Today is the launching of our children's choir. Okay, this is from the HWPL, an NGO, Korean NGO, because we are affiliated with them. So this is the first time for them to hold a choir group for East Timor, in East Timor. So hopefully someday we can also gather some students from other schools. We pray that we can also let them join next to these people. All right, for to join us with this our mission and vision is to bring peace. Okay, all right. So SWPL is mission and mission is to bring peace around the world, that everybody become an advocate of peace. Of course, our desire is these children would be the future hope to bring peace, especially in our country, Timor-Leste.
Portanto, HWPL, uma organização internacional não lucrativa, nebe halau função no papel. Onde sabe lori dame ba mundo toma, incluía Timor-Leste. Na organização internacional HWPL RASIC estabelece ia no usinação Coreia. Na Organização Internacional HWPL na RASIC estabelece ia no usinação Coreia do Sul e tinang ringrua sanulu resintolu. Reportagem Olivia Silva, Televisão Timor Post.
Janela informação ba Emma Hoto. Atau tem informação atual dia kliu kita halua. Hane hambutão subscribe, like, halo comentário no file do media social Hoto.